This is the Winkeyes Deluxe T21 Professional Gaming Keyboard. As you can see here, it comes in a really nice box. It's got some really cool pictures on it and a lot of details on the box. Some of the key features that it has, it says online it's a mechanical keyboard. I think it's kind of a hybrid mechanical keyboard. You'll see when you open it up that it does have a longer keystroke and it's got a mechanical feel to it, but it's got linear action silica gel switches, basically. Some of the key features, it's got 15 groups of macro defined buttons. Basically, you can set the buttons to do certain things. It's full speed USB 2.0 transmission. It's got 20 keys of anti-ghosting design, which means if you're hitting the keys really fast like a lot of gamers do, you're not going to lose any keystrokes. And then the keys themselves, like I said, they have a mechanical feel to them. They've got about a mil and a half of keystroke, so they feel really nice and solid. A couple other features: there's a volume knob on it. There's an expansion keyboard you can put on. So let's open it up. So again, it comes really nicely packaged. Open it up and take a look now. So this is how the keyboard comes, very securely packed. It's wrapped with a nice plastic wrap. And you can see the keyboard has a nice weight to it. It actually has two USB connections that you need to make. One is for the actual keyboard and the second is for the USB port on the back side of the keyboard. It comes with this expansion keyboard, which you install right here, and you can use that to pre-program some keys. You get a little spec sheet, and then you also get a gaming keyboard set of instructions. So basically that's what you get in the package. And then just a couple of features that I wanted to point out on the keyboard itself. Like I said, it's got a mechanical feel to it. You hear that, the sound of the keys, they feel real nice and solid when you push them. Here's the volume control button. Here's some of the programmable keys. Here's the expansion keys. It's got a carrying handle if you're looking to move it around, and then it's got actually a rest right here for your hands. And it sits nice and stable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug it in now. And then in the instructions, they give you the link for downloading drivers. To use some of the functions of the keyboard, you're going to have to go online and download and install the drivers. It's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is restart your computer and you should be up and running. Like I said, it's a really well constructed. It's got a nice weight to it. It's got some nice features with the wrist rest, the carrying handle, the expansion and programmable keyboards, anti-ghosting features. And it's really well done, really nicely constructed.